Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a countdown timer and After Effects. Creating a countdown timer and After Effects is straightforward and can be done using a text layer with some simple expressions. Here's how to do it. Now, open After Effects and create a new composition, then new composition. Set the duration of the composition to the length of your countdown. So for now, 10 seconds. Then hit OK. Go to Layer, New, and choose Text to create a new text layer. This will be the layer that displays the countdown numbers. Position it as needed. With the text layer selected, go to Effect, Expression Controls, slide the control, then drag it to the text layer to add the slider to the text layer. Choose the text layer, click on the arrow, then hit on the arrow to the text, then hold Alt, then left click to add an expression to the text property. And the expression editor, type or paste these codes on the description below. Now, to see this better, expand this by sliding the arrow. Then go to Align, then use the Align horizontally and vertically by clicking on it. Now to make this work, go to Composition, then Composition Settings. So I want this timer to be 5 minutes. Now adjust the duration to 5 minutes. Then hit OK. Set the slider to 300. Move the time navigator to the end. Then the red bar to the end. Now open up the effects, then slide the control. Then hit the stopwatch. Then move the time indicator to the end. Then type 0. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar on your keyboard. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.